What's up, guys? Back here again with another motherfucking vlog. Yes, we here. Yep, so today, I ain't really got nothing planned, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna find something to get into. Cause you know what? I gotta keep y'all entertained. It's all about y'all. So, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna get into. And we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Peace. I know what love is anymore. Your love is like a closed shut door. Alright, guys, so now I'm headed to my little sister basketball game. I'm gonna go watch her play. I don't know who she's playing, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys there when I get there. Alright, peace. Alright, guys, I think it's about to storm. It ain't got dark as hell out here. Like, look at the clouds though. Oh my god, I hope it ain't bad, man. It's so dark out here, bro. It's like an East Side girl's vagina out here. God, what the fuck, bro? It's like golf balls falling and shit. Oh, my baby, go to damage. Fuck! So that's the new swag. Tucking y'all pants and y'all shoes. There you go, Corona. There you go. She over there keeping that bench hot and ready. Good game, Corona.
Who you on the phone with?
What is this nigga doing? I'm Uncle High as hell. We couldn't get any closer. Alright, guys. So that's gonna end today's vlog. Didn't really do too much. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Yeah.